Have you ever cut your nails and wondered where that small piece flew off to? You search everywhere, but it's nowhere to be found. Well, what if I told you that your fingernail clippings might actually be disappearing into a miniature black hole? Sounds impossible. Let's explore the science behind this. Imagine the moment when you cut your nail. The blades of the nail clipper come together with an incredible amount of pressure, focused on a tiny surface area of the nail. At this very moment, an enormous amount of energy is being released. You might not feel it, but physically speaking, the force being applied is highly concentrated. Now, let's bring in some advanced physics, specifically the Schwarzschild radius. According to this principle from general relativity, if you compress enough energy into a small enough space, you could theoretically create a black hole. Yes, you heard that right. The instant the nail clipper snaps shut, there's a momentary surge in energy density, potentially enough to open up a tiny black hole for just a fraction of a second. But wait, how can a black hole form from just cutting nails, you ask? Well, this is where quantum mechanics comes into play. In the realm of subatomic particles, it's theorized that tiny black holes can form under very specific conditions like those found in particle accelerators, or perhaps at the microscopic level when cutting a nail. According to Hawking radiation, these micro black holes can evaporate quickly after they form, disappearing before anyone can even detect them. So, when your nail flies off after being clipped, it's not just flying into the air. No, it's being sucked into this temporary black hole, vanishing from our universe. The extreme force exerted by the nail clipper creates just the right environment for the black hole to appear, consume the nail clipping, and then evaporate, leaving no trace behind. This is why no matter how hard you search for that rogue nail, you'll never find it. It's gone. But that's not all. The nail clipper itself could be acting as a catalyst, facilitating the creation of these fleeting black holes. Its metallic structure and the sharp, precise way it slices through the nail may be the perfect combination to trigger this phenomenon. Without the nail clipper, your nails might just fall to the ground like normal objects. But with the nail clipper, they're being whisked away to another dimension, through a miniature cosmic event. So, the next time you clip your nails and one of them mysteriously vanishes, remember, you may have just witnessed the creation of a microscopic black hole, based on the principles of the Schwarzschild radius and Hawking radiation. It's theoretically possible, but probably not. Your missing nail might now be floating somewhere, in an alternate universe, or even an entirely different dimension.